Okay guys, this video is all about the AirFly Pro from 12 South. I'm going to tell you the pros and cons. I'm going to tell you how to use it. Is it really worth the money? Here we go. This little thing that looks like it's from Apple is called the AirFly Pro. It's called the Pro because it does dual bands. It's the newest version and it's got all the options you want. Now, if you travel or fly at all where you have a screen in front of you, maybe you're doing international flights, they all have screens in front of the back seats or built into the seat somehow. Or you're on a domestic flight that has a screen in front of you and you have your Bose headphones or your AirPods or some kind of Bluetooth headphones that you use like everybody does nowadays, and you want to watch the content and hear it on your headphones and not have to get one of those cheap, $5 headphones from the airlines that like goes in and has the wire running to it and all that stuff, then you're gonna need to buy something that transmits to your headphones. And this, I've tried several of them. I've tried the budget route, buying cheap, like $12 on Amazon. Took a trip to Italy. It was such a pain. It lost its charge. It was hard to connect to. The beauty of this is it's like an Apple product or now even Google products. It's super easy to use and it just works. So you plug it in just to any normal headphone jack, RC jack. It's stereo. So you're just gonna plug it in right into the headphone in front of you, or on international flights, it's usually right over here beside you. And on some international flights, especially European legs, you have a 3-prong. So you just need to buy a 2-prong adapter. I'll show that on the video. But that lets you get stereo transmitted from those two, left and right, into your stereo here and transmitted. So you can connect 2 people to this too. So if you're with your wife, or you're with your girlfriend, or you're with your whatever, you want to watch the same thing together, maybe on your iPad or something, or maybe whatever, this thing just works. So it's really simple. There's this big button right on the front here. You just hold it down till you see the light come on, and then it's in pairing mode. With your AirPods, you just flip the case open. Boom, connected. With like your Bose, you open the Bose headphone app, connect a new Bose Bluetooth device. Make sure your Bose is in Bluetooth mode, which is really easy to do. Just push it forward and then make sure that this is blinking, and boom, it'll just say connected. It speaks to you through the headphones. So when I put my headphones on, it'll say AirFly Pro connected, and you're good to go. You're gonna get audio. It's music, movies, TV, whatever it is coming out of whatever the jack is. Even on your car, you could do it on your car to a Bluetooth speaker, but these are mainly designed for flying and stuff. It's called AirFly Pro, but you can use it in your car or in your boat or something like that. It's not waterproof though, so be careful. It comes with this little case with a little charging cable. It's a USB-C charging cable. I charge it up before each flight just to make sure it's solid. But we flew for like 14-15 hours over to Dubai, and it was like a day and a half, and I used it constantly to watch TV and movies and listen to music and stuff. It never lost its power. It never went out. It lasts forever. So it's just really simple to use, and it's really easy to use, and that is why I highly recommend this to anybody that comes to me for travel advice. I've got a travel channel called Zach's Travel. If you haven't checked that out, I'm always doing travel videos here as well because I travel a lot and people are always asking me, what do I do? What do I do for this? What do I do for that? That is why I come on here and do videos like this, because I know you're searching for something that will just work, and you don't have to like try it and send it back and fuss with it. And any Bluetooth headphones this will work with. And most people have AirPod Pros, or they have Google Chrome, the Buds, or the Bose or Sony, or now even the new Apple Pod Pros. Any of those will work. The Beats, any Bluetooth headphones will connect instantly to this, and you just connect it in the normal way you would connect any other device to your Bluetooth headphones, to your phone or whatever. There's no like, you know, click here. Like on some of the other ones, I had to click here and then click here real fast and then get it blinking and then it would go off and I had to do it all over again because I didn't get to the headphones quick. This just worked. There's a little tip I'm gonna throw in here. The RX is actually to receive mode. So this will actually work in your car where you can put this into your, if you have a car that has an RC jack or headphone jack, auxiliary jack, you can actually turn this to RX right here on the side, which turns it to receive mode. So it's not sending to your headphones, it's receiving a signal, and you can play music from your phone and stuff to your car. So if you have a car that doesn't have Bluetooth or is a little older and has the auxiliary jack where you used to run the cord to your phone or something, you can use this to receive music, receive TV, receive stuff to it and play it out through the jack instead of right now. The way I use it is in TX mode, which is sending mode. So when I plug it into something, it's sending that signal out to my headphones and I'm hearing it here. But the receive mode is like if I have my phone and I'm playing something to this and I want it to come out of whatever it's plugged into. So that's a little thing I wanted to clarify just really quick. Okay, another question I've gotten is that I want to throw in here real quick just to clarify is once you connect one set of headphones to this, you'll know it's connected. It'll say AirFly Pro. Then you just double tap this button right here, this big button on the front, to pair to another set of headphones. So it'll stay connected to yours and it'll start searching for the second pair. It only does 2, so if you're looking for something that does more than 2, I can't help you there. But this, I've searched everywhere, I have not found anything that does more than 2. If you know, please comment below. But if you wanna have 2 paired, that's how you do it. You pair it one and you double tap to go into pairing mode again and pair the second one, and then it connects them together and sends the signal out to 2. So basically it's 2 sending transmitters in here. So it's sending the signal in and sending it out to two different Bluetooth connections. Really just simple. You can buy it on Amazon, you can buy it from 12 South Plus. I think other places sell it, but I'll put a link down below. And also, if you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. It's free to do so. Cancel at any time, become part of the Zackus Nation. I just do honest videos here. I try products like this. I needed something like this and I bought it, oh my goodness, probably a year ago or so. And I try it out and I make sure it's really good. And if I love it, I come on here and tell you. If I hate it, I come on here and tell you. And it's not about, it's really just to inform you because you're spending your hard-earned money and you're looking like me for research on reviews and stuff that aren't bought and paid for. They don't know who I am. They never have known my name. So if you're looking for something when you travel that works with your headphones, that transmits things, and needs an old school headphone jack, this is it. This is it. I'm telling you, this thing is the bomb freaking diggity. So thank you for watching this video. I hope it helped you, and I hope wherever you are having an amazing day. It's lovely to see your beautiful face, and I will catch you in the next Zackus video. Peace.
Give me something.